Okay, so uh, December challenge is going to start. I think my video is audible, right? Yes, I think it will be audible. And yeah, December challenge is going to start in 8 minutes. I'm eager to solve it. If you are confused on what I'm solving, it is actually on division 3. Okay, I'm solving a division 3 challenge of the December challenge 2021 of Codechef. Welcome to the stream, guys. So, challenge is going to start in another 1.5 minutes. Let us see. I'll just open Visual Studio Code. I'm just making everything ready, the files and all. So this is December challenge. Inside that long challenge, and let us have q1.py. Okay, that is question1.py. Okay, so yes, and yes, it's live. 14 seconds over. Okay, first question. Utkarsh and placement. Utkarsh is currently sitting for placements. So sad. And he has applied to 3 companies ABC. Utkarsh's order of preference among these 3 companies given to you as characteristics first, second, and third, respectively. Where the first company that he prefers most. Okay, fine. You also know that Utkarsh has received offer from exactly 2 of these 3 companies given you as characteristics X and Y. Utkarsh will always accept the offer from whichever company is highest on the preference list. Array, this is nonsense, right? Let us see the inputs. Okay. Input format is T, okay, and then T test cases contains 3 different, okay, A, first, second, third, in the preferred order. Okay. And the second contains line contains the test cases where 2 separated things are there. Okay. Oh, fine. A and C. This is easy. Okay. So let us right away start coding, and I'll just show you in a minute. Yeah, let's go. So this is the thing I have, coding thing, and yeah, so we have 3 test cases. So for underscore range of int of input, and so that is the 3 test cases, and we get first line the order, right? Let us say v1 comma v2 comma v3, v1 comma v2 comma v3, or we have Python, right? Let's abuse it. Okay, so let us do a is equal to list of map of map of int comma input split. Okay, so map of int comma input dot split, and what we are going to do is and next line what we input is we get 2 characteristics. So that is v1 is equal to v1 comma v2, which is equal to this characteristics. Okay, so we need to have string is equal to map of str comma input dot split. Actually the mic might be a bit feeble, so just bear with me, and yeah, I'm audible. Okay, fine. And so we need to check which one is greater. So what we are going to do is that if a dot, I think it's find, no, okay, index, okay, a dot index of v1 is greater than a dot index of v2, then what we need to do, we need to output format is that the output is not case sensitive, so the answer can be both a and a. Okay, so we need to output the company, so print v1 because v1 is greater. Oh no, we need to do v2 because a b c, tell you the first priority comes first, so the one which is front has more weightage, so if v1 is greater then it has least weightage. Okay, fine. So else we need to print v1. Let me just save it, run it. What happened? Okay, something rerun. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll just copy the test cases, copy and paste it here. Okay, well, we are getting a and c as the answer. Same a and c is there also the answer, and I'll just submit it. I'll just copy the code, Control A, Control C, and then go to the Brave, submit, Control V, and I'll upload. And let's just go to the next question. I think that will come fine. It's running. Okay. Oh, this is a big thing, big question. Okay, fine, cool, let's do it. Okay, currently no views. Fine. It's running. It's still running. What is taking so long? Okay, anyways, so you are given a standard 8 into 8 chessboard which has exactly 3 pieces placed on it, and 2 black rooks and 1 white king. I genuinely don't think that this is the second question, but then okay, anyways. Fine. Okay, correct answer. Guys, whoever has not liked the video yet, like it, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, it helps you a lot. Okay, everyone like here, and so this question is done, and okay. Okay, so there are 2 black rooks and 1 white king. The rows sorry, the rows are numbered 1 to 8 and from the bottom to top. Okay, and the columns are numbered 1 to 8 from left to right. Okay, the cell at the intersection of the ith column and jth, okay, I comma j, okay, fine. Is it possible for the king to be checkmated by the rooks in exactly one move? It is guaranteed that the initial position of pieces is such that the white king is not under check already. Okay, fine. Okay, so note that the given situation, black moves first. Assume that all the chess rules are to be followed. Each square contains at most one piece. Rooks can travel straight along. Fine. And dude, I'm a chess player, dude. I know this. Fine. King is said to be in checkmate if the currently under check. Okay. And there exists no legal move. King to escape. Stalemate is considered as a draw both suits. Okay, fine. How's the input look? Oh boy. Okay, what is the input? T test cases. In each test case, 3 lines are there, and the first line contains 2 separated. Okay, X A Y K. King is there. Okay, so this is king, one black rook, another black rook. Okay, fine. And something they have said. So the input and output are large, so use fast input output methods. Okay, in C++ either use printf or scanf to add line. In Python 3 add these lines. Input is equal to the beginning of your code, and then use input I don't know what is this. Fine, let us do it. Okay, so when is a king under checkmate? Means if a checkmate has to be happening by 2 rooks, the what shall we say, those 2 rooks cannot be in the same y-axis or x-axis. Yes, so okay, you know what, okay, so if king is here, then one rook should be here and the other rook should be here, somewhat like that. So okay, first let us just get the inputs and outputs. I'll change the window from fine. So yeah, this is the window, and let's create another thing, not over here, and it's over here. We have question2.py, and in that again for underscore in range of int of input. Guys, share this video immediately. Okay, we are going to do some good questions. And yeah, do not use the same code in your submissions. Don't be that cheap. Okay, this is for knowledge purpose only, not for my practice strictly. So that just for my channel not to be demonetized or something like that. Okay, fine, let's do it. So for every input test case, we have how to say this thing, different inputs, right? How to get these inputs? Input format. There are 3 lines for each test case. So this is the king. So king x is comma king y, which is equal to a map of int comma input dot split split and r1x comma r1y is equal to, say, just copy paste this, and then r2 x comma r2y is equal to copy paste. Fine, we got the 3 inputs and it'll iterate for 4 output in 4 test cases. So the inputs are done. So we need to have some check ideas. So let us keep a variable is mate is equal to false, not flash, false. Okay, so at last we'll output if is mate, if it's checkmate, print what should we print? Is it checkmate or print yes or no? What is yes or no? What do we need to check? Okay, is it guaranteed that the initial positions? Okay, is it possible for the white king to be checkmated by the rooks in exactly one move? So with one move, can they make a check? So if it is checkmate, then we should print yes. So else it is printing though. So that is nice. Okay, so now we need to just update this is mate variable, right, according to the given conditions. So first of all, when can a king be mated? What is the king's position? If in one move, okay, mate in one move we are talking, so I think he should be on the borders, right? On the full borders, if he is there, he can be checkmated, right? That's what I think. Fine, so if he is in middle, can he be checkmated? Two rooks are there, let us say on opposite sides only. Stalemate, I don't think if he's no, he should be forced to the corner, and at that time if you keep a move he can be checkmated, otherwise we can only keep a check. Okay, so if kx equal to okay, so are they having 0 to 7 or 1 to 8? Oh, it's okay, 1 to 8. So if kx is equal to 1 or kx equal to 8, or oh no, let us just keep it this way. So if he is on any of this, we can mate him. You know what, let us type it separately, case by case. So if kx is equal to 1, is on the leftmost column, yes, not the row, it is on the leftmost column, and on that